Hey, girl.
Hey, boy.
Are we in Bird Box?
Oh, shit. Oh, no. We are talking about the Drunk Weather music video.
Come over, it's drunk weather.
Drunk Weather. That's not even the
That's
melody
not
of the
even how it
song.
goes.
Nope. We're talking about my new music video that Jeffrey styled, make-uped, haired, styled. But anyway, Jeffrey did it all. Sorry, I'm messing up your hashtag. He did everything on that music video. And so we're talking now about the hairstyling.
Yeah.
Which is like his main
The
thing.
everything I
Yes,
do.
yes.
Yeah, the top everything that
Jeffrey
I do.
does my hair.
Yes. So the thing with the hairstyling on this, hitting back on the vibe of the video, was we were chilling at home, you know, we drinking, smoking, straight plus coasting, and I didn't want it to be too overdone. We've done a lot of looks on Felice over the 3 years that we've been working together, and so I wanted this to just really feel organic, natural, new. You know, we don't really do a ton of like upstyling on her. We don't really work with a ton of hair accessories. I mean, Felice's hair, as I always say, your hair is your number one accessory that you can't take off. So we always let her texture speak for itself. But in this, we wanted to be a little more fun, a little more playful, try some things out. And what we learned doing Drunk Weather is that we love hair scarves.
Yes.
Like, who knew?
Oh my gosh. I kept them because I was like,
Yeah.
you know what, I'm just going to get this for the shoot and then just
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. I know
Yeah.
it's not totally hygienic, but I wasn't going to keep it. I was like, I never wear hair
No,
scarves. But they are so cute. Now I wear them all the time because
Yep.
it looks cute on short hair. I call myself the slightly more ethnic chilling adventures of Sabrina the Teenage Witch.
When she's got her little hair tied.
Yeah.
So we wanted it to just feel more casual, more relaxed. There's only one real look and setup we did in a beautiful blue fur coat. And this jewelry actually, by the way.
Yes, it was on
Jeffrey
me.
does everything.
And also provides jewelry.
Yeah, that was the only look in the video where we kept it down and more of the classic Felice that everybody is used to seeing.
Mm-hmm.
But for the other looks in the video, especially, I love when she's just like laid out on the bean chair, telling, you know, what her favorite movie is on the phone. We did this really great, just like quick up style with it. We pulled it all back out of the face. It was almost like a modern French twist.
And it looked like I just woke up that way.
Yeah,
like I
it
just
did.
threw my hair up.
It was
just
it was
looked perfect.
effortless. It
Yeah.
looked like something that you would do yourself at home. It was a produced, effortless look, and that was really what all of the looks in the video were about. And for the girls in the video, soft wave. We didn't want anything that was like
Bedhead.
prissy.
We just
Yeah,
wanted bedhead. I just
yeah.
woke up,
We've just been
beachy.
rolling around,
Yeah.
and when it's raining outside, like, you don't want to spend all that time doing your hair, but you still want to look done. The really cool thing was like playing with the hair accessories, really being able to complement the wardrobe that we did for the video with the outfits. You got to check her out in the little teddy romper. That's my fave.
That's
We got the
my
little
favorite
hood
too.
on.
And we used that too. That was part of the hair look, was
Exactly.
doing the hoodie on it and like making sure that the curls were like perfectly placed with the hoodie.
Yep, we knew going into it that there was going to be a little versatility in us with the styling because we had additional accessories when it came to the wardrobe that were really going to top it off. So nothing overdone, nothing that was out of the norm, but it was also kind of out of the norm for us because it was different styling than we've ever done on you before.
Yeah, the scarves. And actually, quick tip, we didn't actually use scarves,
Nope.
but they look like scarves. They were just headbands, but they had fabric on them. The pink one that we used with the teddy hoodie, that was just a headband. It was from Target.
As somebody who has like done some pinup styling and things like that in the past, it can be really difficult to get that perfect little styled headband or styled scarf in your hair. So like, cheat the system, girl. Buy a fake scarf that's
so
already
perfect.
perfectly tied
Yeah.
for you and pop it on. Pop on that scarf headband.
Yep. And it gave that little, I'm at home, I'm not really trying, but it looked like really
You would
cute.
try.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. If you have not already, please go watch the Drunk Weather video. It's amazing. My good friend here, Felice, is an incredible vocalist, an incredibly talented artist. I had the best time ever working on it. I'm so happy that you and Sleep brought me in to do it because it was just like the best time ever. So
And
please.
thank you for blessing us with your eye for everything.
Yeah.
Jeffrey does everything.
Anytime. Anytime.
Jeffrey does everything. Yeah.
Check out the video, guys. Check out Beauty Wizardry Official. All of our socials will be linked below. Click, 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 click.
Click.
We'll
And
see you.
subscribe, please.
And subscribe.
Subscribe.
And I believe there's something about like clicking the bell, turn on your notifications. You should
Smash
do that too.
subscribe button.
Yeah, and hit that bell to get your notifications when we post new videos and
And
content.
look at the other videos that we're featuring over here.
And check out our blog.
Yeah.
Follow us on IG. Everywhere. Thanks, you guys.